Hey everyone, I'm Devendra and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to apply for the Google Software Student Training in Engineering Program STEP Internship for 2025. This is an amazing opportunity, especially for second-year students studying computer science or related fields. And it's an excellent way to gain real-world software engineering experience with one of the world's leading tech companies. And don't forget to check out my blog for detailed insights and additional tips on the Google Software Student Training in Engineering Program STEP Internship for 2025. The link is in the description below. Before you start applying, make sure your CV, resume and cover letter are polished and ready to go. Let's get started. Let's start with your resume. This is your first impression, so make sure it reflects your technical skills and achievements clearly. Include proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, C++, or any relevant languages. Highlight any academic projects, hackathons, or extracurricular activities that demonstrate your ability to solve problems and collaborate with teams. For the STEP internship, you don't need to have professional work experience, just make sure to show how your skills align with the program's goals, such as your interest in software development and problem solving. Now, let's talk about your cover letter. This is your chance to explain why you're passionate about joining Google and how your skills make you a good fit for the STEP program. Start by introducing yourself and expressing your excitement for the internship. Be specific about your projects or coursework that relate to software engineering and how it aligns with Google's mission. End the letter by mentioning why you are excited about working at Google and how the internship will help you grow as a future software engineer. Now that you've prepared your resume and cover letter, it's time to head to Google's careers page. Search for the Google STEP Internship 2025 role. Read through the job description carefully and ensure that you meet the minimum qualifications. Once you've reviewed the qualifications and job details, it's time to apply. Upload your resume and cover letter as PDFs. Before hitting submit, double check that all your details are accurate. After submission, you'll get a confirmation email saying, "Thanks for applying to Google." Remember, applications are reviewed on a rolling basis, so don't wait too long, submit as soon as possible. That's it for today's guide on applying for the Google STEP Internship 2025. I hope these tips help you with your application. And don't forget to check out my blog for more detailed insights, important tips and resources. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more internship and career tips.